Smart web solutions for your small business. Get your website, email, and business online today. Bring your business to life with email, business apps, enhanced security, and more. Wow your online visitors and future customers with a safe, secure, high-performing website. Launch your online identity with a custom domain name. Find the right domain name for your business in 60 seconds. Easily create your own website with our website builder. Select a theme, make it your own, and get your website online today. Our web hosting provides you with a free domain name, easy-to-use tools, as well as fast and reliable storage and apps. We offer a number of enterprise-grade hosted email plans for your small business. Pick the one that's right for you. Get the features your business needs. Easy-to-use tools and apps keep you fully in control. Get your website and email up and running in minutes. Safely and securely run your business with our free enterprise-grade hosted email. Get started today with pre-installed WordPress and Jetpack, hosted on servers finely tuned for WordPress websites. Our control panel and dashboard are simple to use, supported by tutorial videos and an extensive knowledge base. Use over 400 plus free apps to build or extend your website. From shopping carts to blogs, we've got everything you need. Your website and Google will love you. Our servers are built to provide you with the best hosting experience, including fast loading speeds. Become part of the HostPapa family. Any questions? Our in-house and award-winning Papa Squad support team are always here to help. We take security seriously. Our servers have enhanced security features, firewalls, and intrusion detection. All hosting is secured with a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Additional features for the best website hosting experience. HostPapa uses solid-state disks, SSD, for data storage. For your website hosting, this means a much faster loading speed. If your server can display your website at lightning speed, this will contribute to the user experience on your site. This includes more time spent on site, more interaction, more pages visited, eventually getting you to the goal you have for your website, whether it's selling something or sharing your expertise, etc. SSDs are 3 times faster than the traditional HDDs, hard disk drives, where data was stored in the past. Some website hosting providers still rely on those, putting their customer data at risk of getting lost, as HDDs are not just slower but also a lot less reliable. HostPapa doesn't compromise on quality when it comes to our customers' data and hosting experience. Free and painless website migration by HostPapa. Try us risk-free for 30 days. If you don't love us, we'll move you back to your existing host for free. Free domain transfer. Already have your domain name? Transfer it over to HostPapa for free and set up your website on our powerful servers with 99.9% uptime guaranteed. Avoid downtime while moving. We take downtime worries away, as one of our migration experts will take care of you through the entire process, completely free of charge. This is what we do every day.